everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is another special day because we are here at Skye Canyon in Las Vegas and we are featuring another beautiful home by Toll Brothers. This is a single-story home, so I'm super excited. Before we proceed, let's do three things. One, let's subscribe to this channel. Second, let's like this video. And third, let's share this video to your family and friends. And after this video, please don't forget to check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there for you to enjoy. I am super excited, guys. This is a beautiful home and in a nice community. It's gated. Let's do this. Let's tour this home together. Alright guys, this is the home. Let's check out this beautiful single-story home, 3-car garage. And this is the entrance to the house. Let's check out nice paver here. And nice color of the garage. Let's check out what's happening on this single-story home. You have your seating arrangement here, really nice. Okay, this is the Spanish contemporary Clavel. Oh wow, this is a very open floor plan, guys. As you can see, they have this nice entrance ceiling there. Really awesome. Before we go to that side, let's check out what's happening on the right side of this home. Upon entering it, you have this beautiful first floor. Of course, everything is first floor because this single story. But this is the first secondary bedroom. Really nice window there. All right, nice bed. Okay, that's your first secondary bedroom. Looks good. Okay, so this is the second or the first floor, first full bathroom that we are seeing right now. They upgraded this with really nice impactful toilet, wall panel. Hello guys. And look at this, guys. Really nice quartz and cabinetry. This is the toilet. Okay, so far so good. Let's check out what's happening on your main area. But before that, I'm seeing something here. This is a really nice office. Lots of lighting, right? You have recessed lighting. You also have that ceiling. And then you have this beautiful custom cabinetry here. Really nice. Okay. And then since we're already here, let's check out this area. Okay, really nice lighting there. And then this is your laundry area. See how it really has a lot of impact if you have the wall panel, right? Before we forget, there's something here. Okay, so this is your system. And let's check out what's happening here. This might be the garage, which is currently closed. And then we have your secondary bedroom here. And then it has its own ensuite bathroom. Look, guys. Also has the counter here. Okay, very, very nice. Look at the elegant lighting there. Very, very awesome. They have this wall paneling there. Okay, let's check out your main living area. Wow, this is a really nice main living area, guys. You have your kitchen there, dining there, and look at your beautiful fireplace there. Look, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go on this side so you can see how it feels when you're at the corner of this main living room area. Okay, they use this really nice wall design, guys. Very impactful. This is a beautiful living space, no doubt. Definitely amazing. Toll Brothers really make it happen again. Look at this fireplace. Definitely amazing. And then that is your backyard, which we will check later on. Okay, so let's check out your kitchen. You have this pantry area. Beautiful. You also have this nice stone of countertops here. I'm standing at the door of your pantry, guys, so you can see how it feels. Nice vent hood. Very ideal for those people who would love to cook or who are very good at cooking. They have this modern farmhouse sink. Definitely amazing. This is how it looks like, guys, when you're standing at your kitchen area. And look at your beautiful dining area here. Definitely very spacious. I like the use of the wood there, right? Definitely amazing. And then this one really looks awesome. That lighting. And good that they have the door there, right? So you can enter your backyard immediately. Definitely amazing. Okay, before we go to the backyard, let's check out what's happening. By the way, guys, before I forgot, look at how modern it is when you have a waterfall edge, right? Very highly recommended. Okay, let's check out your primary bedroom. Wow. Look at the use of the lighting there. Again, this is a very nice flooring. They put a custom carpet there. Look at this, guys. Definitely amazing wall design there. And then you have access to your backyard there. Wow. Okay, so let's check out your bathroom area. Wow, I love this. This design of the wall and this definitely. Hello, guys. Very elegant bathroom. Again, they've used a lot of lighting here to make it more impactful. Before we go to your closet, let's check out what's happening to your shower area. They use this nice grain of shower. The wall tile too looks really awesome. Again, guys, I would just highly recommend to put a rain shower there so that it's easier for you guys who are tall in terms of shower. This is your toilet area, and that again is your beautiful 2 sinks. Here we go, guys. Let's check out your beautiful closet area. Again, this closet area is not big, but at the same time, it looks big because of the cabinetry, right? When you put cabinetry such as this, the area looks bigger than it actually is. And they put this lighting there so that it brings so much light inside. Very, very nice. Okay, let's check out your backyard. This is taking a while because there's so much things to see. This is the backyard. Wow, look at the flooring, guys. Right? Definitely amazing backyard. You have cover there. You have the pergola there. Let's check out what's on the side of this house. Okay, so that's your AC. Nice. Look at this, guys. Definitely amazing to have a barbecue area. That's the other model we checked out, so please check out the channel page if you want to see that model there. Okay, so this is your swimming pool. It would be nice if you put like a water feature there, would be amazing. Look at this green here, and this is the access from your main living area, main bedroom there. You have a mini fireplace here. This is how it looks like, guys, when you're at the corner of your backyard. And look at that. That is your gate to the side. You have your wet deck here, right? Nice shape of a swimming pool. And then you have, again, your barbecue area is here. You have a television in your barbecue area for you to enjoy some sports games, right? Or movies during the night. That will be amazing. This is definitely a very, very elegant home. And we're back here at your main living area. Again, guys, comment down below, what do you think of this home? Very elegant. Look at this. Right? Definitely sophisticated. Love seeing this kitchen. What do you think, guys? Right? This is a very elegant kitchen. I can't get out of this living room for some reason because it's so beautiful. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and write your comments down below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to write your comments down below. What do you think of this beautiful home? And also don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and share this video to your family and friends. Again, guys, this channel is growing because of your continued support. Without you, this channel will not grow. So thank you so much. I wish you an amazing day today.